Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Sufa English School, Class 8, Subject History, Lesson number 10. Continue the next para. Before that, Lesson number 10, Armed Revolutionary Movement. The agitation against the British imperialism were carried out in various ways in India. In this para, we will shall get acquainted with it. And there's some preview of previous paragraph. Main objective of revolutionary organization: to keep control over British officers, to weaken government machinery and overthrow British rules, wipe out fear from minds of the Indians. Let's start. The India House. The revolutionary work in India received assistance from Indian revolutionary. Saying the abroad, India House in London was an important center which provided for such kind of assistance. Pandit Shyamji Krishna Verma, an Indian patriot and the established conference India House through this agitation and organization India House. Through this organization, Indian youth were given scholarships for the higher education in England. Swatantra Veer Savarkar received such a scholarship. Madam Kama and raised the issue of India's independence at the World Socialist Conference held at the Stuttgart in the Germany. In the same conference, she unfurled the flag of India. Another revolutionary associated with the India House was the youth named Madan Lal Dhingra. He killed Curzon Wiley, a British officer, due to which Dhingra was the hanged to death. यानी जो यहाँ से इंडिया हाउस से वहाँ पर पढ़ने के लिए जो स्कॉलरशिप के थ्रू वहाँ स्वतंत्र वीर सावरकर और मैडम कामा वहाँ पर गए तो उन्होंने इंडिया के इंडिपेंडेंस की वहाँ पर आवाज़ उठाई। और जो वर्ल्ड सोशलिस्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस थी वहाँ पर उन्होंने जर्मनी में हेल्ड की और वहाँ पर इंडिया का फ्लैग फहराया। और ये रिवोल्यूशनरी की सबसे वो थी। उसके बाद जो इंडिया हाउस में यूथ नेम था जो मदन लाल धिंगरा, उन्होंने किसको किल्ड किया? कर्जन वायली को। किसको किल्ड किया? कर्जन वायली को। नेक्स्ट, गदर मूवमेंट. The Ghadar movement during the period of First World War, the revolutionary work against the British government got a momentum. The revolutionary felt the transfer of power can be brought into India with the help of enemies of the British, and in this attempt help of Indian soldiers can also be taken. To take the advantage of this opportunity, revolutionary organization were set up. Ghadar is one such an important organization. The revolutionary organization, the name was Ghadar. The Indian living in America and the Canada established the Ghadar organization. Lala Hardayal Bhai and Paramanand, Dr. Pandurang Sadashiv and Kankoji, etc. These revolutionaries were the important leaders of the organizations. These organizations important leaders, the Ghadar organization, Lala Hardayal Bhai Paramanand, Dr. Pandurang and Sadashiv Kankoji, etc. The organization, the word Ghadar means revolt. The Ghadar means revolt. Ghadar was the general of this organization that acted as its mouthpiece. Through these general effects of British rule in India were pointed out, it gave information about the daring deeds of the revolutionaries. In this way, love for the nation and armed rebellion was the message given through the General Ghadar to the Indians. The leaders of the Ghadar organizations decided to take advantage of this war-like situation. They drew up the plan of revolt in Punjab against the British. They pursued the Indian soldiers in British army, joined in their revolt, it was decided that the Ras Bihari Bose and the Vishnu Ganesh Pingle should lead the revolt. But due to the treachery in the British carries out the plan, Pingle fell into the hands of the police. He was hanged to death. But Ras Bihari Bose escaped successfully. He went to Japan and continued the revolutionary work. The revolutionary movement was active in other countries during the period of war. In Berlin, Virendranath Chattopadhyay and Bhupen Datta and Hardayal prepared anti-British plan. In cooperation with the German Foreign Ministry in 1950, Mahendra Pratap Barkatullah and the Obedullah Sindhi established the provincial government of the Free India in Kabul. Next, Kakori Conference. The suppressive measure of the government could not put an end of the revolutionary movement after the suspension of the civil disobedient movement by Mahatma Gandhi. Many youngers got diverted to the revolutionary ways. In the Chandrasekhar Azad, Ram Prasad Bismil, Yogesh Chatterjee and Sachindra Nath Sanyal and such other revolutionaries came together on 9 August 1925. They looted the government treasury. अब ये जब इन्होंने रेवोल्यूशनरी वर्क किया, चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल, योगेश चटर्जी एंड सचिंद्र नाथ सान्याल, ये जितने भी रेवोल्यूशनरीज थे, इन्होंने सब ने एक साथ मिलकर 9 अगस्त 1925 को जो गवर्नमेंट का खजाना था उसको लूट लिया. एंड दैट वाज द कैरिड इन द ट्रेन नियर काकोरी रेलवे स्टेशन इन उत्तर प्रदेश. जो उत्तर प्रदेश में काकोरी रेलवे स्टेशन था, वहाँ से उन्होंने पूरे टेरिटरी उनकी लूट ली ब्रिटिशर्स की. दिस इज़ नोन एज द काकोरी कॉन्फ्रेंसी, और इसे ही काकोरी कॉन्फ्रेंसी कहा जा रहा है, जो 9 अगस्त 1925 को यूपी के काकोरी स्टेशन पर रेलवे स्टेशन पर हुई थी. By the taking immediate action, the government arrested the revolutionaries. और फिर गवर्नमेंट ने इन जितने भी इमीडिएटली इन सबको अरेस्ट कर लिया. एंड पुट देम इनटू द प्रिजन, और उन्हें जेल में डाल दिया. दे वेयर पुट अंडर ट्रायल अशफाकुल्ला खान, राम प्रसाद बिस्मिल एंड रोशन सिंह, राजेंद्र लहरी वेयर were hanged, but Chandrasekhar Azad managed to escape. Next, Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The young men, influenced by socialist idea, decided to set up the nationwide revolutionary organization. Prominent among them were Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, etc. All these revolutionaries were secular in their thoughts. In 1928, in the meeting held at the Firoz Shah Kotla ground in Delhi, these young men established the organizations called Hindustan Socialist Republican Association. The objective behind the establishment of this organization was to free India from British exploitation. It also wanted to overthrow the unjust socio-economic system which exploited the farmers and the workers. Bhagat Singh gave importance to creation of a society based on a social justice and equality. The work of gathering arms and the execution of programs was entrusted to the separated wings of organization. This wings was called Hindustan Socialist Republican Army, and Chandrasekhar Azad was the chief of the wing. The Hindustan Socialist Republican Army and Chandrasekhar Azad was the chief of these wings. Members of these organizations carried out many revolutionary activities. Bhagat Singh and the Rajguru fired bullets and killed an officer's named Sundars in order to avenge the death of Lala Lajpat Rai. The government had introduced two bills in the Central Legislative Assembly curtailing civil rights to protest the Bhagat Singh and the Batukreshwar Datta throw bombs in the Central Legislative Assembly. The British government immediately raided the centers of Hindustan Socialist Republican Army. Through it, the police also obtained clues related to the killing of the Sundars. The government started arrested the revolutionaries. They were tried under the charge of the sedition on the 23 March of 1931. यानी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने इमीडिएटली जो रेस इनके ऊपर रेडिट किया, जो सेंटर था हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन आर्मी का, वहाँ पर जाकर पुलिस ने उन जितने भी किलिंग सुंदर्स के थे तो उन लोगों को गवर्नमेंट ने अरेस्ट करना शुरू कर दिया रिवोल्यूशनरी को, और इनको ट्राई टू अंडर द चार्ज ऑफ सेडिटेशन ऑफ 23 मार्च ऑफ 1931. भगत सिंह, राजगुरु एंड सुखदेव वेयर हैंग्ड इन द लाहौर जेल, बट टिल द एंड चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद डिड नॉट फॉल इनटू द हैंड्स ऑफ द पुलिस. लेकिन चंद्रशेखर आज़ाद उनके हाथ में नहीं आए. लेटर ही डाइड इन द इनकाउंटर विद द पुलिस अल्फ्रेड पार्क इन द इलाहाबाद, और उनका इनकाउंटर हुआ. नेक्स्ट, अटैक ऑन द चित्तगोंग आर्मी. अटैक ऑन द चित्तगोंग आर्मोरी. Surya Sen was the chief of the revolutionary group of the Chittagong in the Bengal. He had the gathered around his the revolutionaries like Anant Singh, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Preeti Lata Wadekar. With their assistance, Surya Sen drew up a plan to attack the armory of the Chittagong. As per the plan, on the 80 April 1930, the two armories in Chittagong, the telephone and the telegraph lines were broken. Surya Sen, this is the picture of Surya Sen. The telephone and telegraph lines were broken, and they succeeded in the paralyzing the communication system. After that, they gave thrilling fight to the British Army. On 60 February 1933, Surya Sen and some of his associates were captured by the police. Surya Sen and his 12 associates were given death punishment. Kalpana Datta was sentenced to life imprisonment, and Preeti Lata Wadekar killed herself without the falling into the hands of the police. The Kalpana Datta and the Preeti Lata Wadekar. Due to the uprising in the Chittagong, the revolutionary movement gained pace. Shanti Ghosh and Suniti Chaudhary, these two schoolgirls, killed the district judge, whereas a young girl, Beena Das, shot dead the governor during the convention of the ceremony of the Kolkata University. Sardar Udham Singh killed Dyer, the officer responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre in the London in 1940. In the freedom struggle of India, revolutionary movement made an important contribution. These revolutionaries displayed daring and the determination while fighting against the British rule. The love for the nation and the attitude of the sacrifice was just incomparable. Their sacrifice proved to be an inspiration to the Indian. This lesson is end, and some important point of this lesson is the main objective of revolutionary organization, important revolutionaries of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Association like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev, and revolutionary involved in the Chittagong army, Surya Sen, Ganesh Ghosh, Kalpana Datta, Preeti Lata Wadekar, and Anant Singh. And revolutionary Swatantra Veer Savarkar, Abhinav Bharat is the organizations. Barindra Kumar Ghosh, Anushilan Samiti, and Chandrasekhar Azad, Hindustan Socialist Army. These are the some conclusion of this lesson, of the lesson number 10, Armed Revolutionary Movement. Some exercise on this lesson is the rewrite the sentence statement by choosing the appropriate option. The Swatantra Veer Savarkar started a secret organization of the revolutionaries named Pandit Shyamji Krishna and Varma Mitrmela and Ram Singh Kuka. Do you find an answer? The complete this answer. Second, in Punjab, organized and the uprising against the government, founded in the house. And next, founded in the house. The three fill in the blanks and complete your notebook and the complete the following table: revolutionary and organization. The name of, do you write your notebook? And next we will explain the PDF, the question answer. Allah Hafiz.